Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing T-Mobile home internet and Starlink, including the speeds, the pricing, and the real differences between these two internet services in 2026. So first of all, let's understand how these two services actually work because the technology behind them is very different. T-Mobile home internet uses the 5G cellular towers. A gateway device in your home receives the signal from the nearby towers and converts it into the Wi-Fi for your house. This means that you don't need cables or the satellite dishes for this. You simply plug in the gateway and connect your devices. Starlink works in a different way. It uses satellite in space to deliver the internet. A smaller satellite dish installed at your home connects to these satellites and sends the internet signals to your router. So if I compare both of them based on the speed, so T-Mobile home internet usually offers the speeds around 100 Mbps to 400 Mbps depending on the signal strength and how busy the network is in your area. Starlink speeds, on the other hand, are often around 100 Mbps to 250 Mbps, although this can vary depending on the satellite coverage and the network traffic. When we talk about the pricing, so T-Mobile home internet is usually more affordable with a flat monthly price and unlimited data included. Starlink is generally more expensive and usually need to purchase the satellite dish equipment before starting the devices. When we talk about the availability, so T-Mobile home internet works best in the areas where strong 5G coverage is available, usually the cities and the suburb areas. You can check the eligibility by clicking on the check eligibility option on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to basically provide your address and it will show whether it is available in your area or not. Starlink has a big advantage in the rural or the remote areas because satellites can provide the internet in the places where the cell towers or the fiber connections are not available. So if you live in the city and you want cheaper and easier setup, I can say that you can easily go with T-Mobile home internet. But if you live in the remote area where other internet services are limited, Starlink may be better choice for you. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.